Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create stickers in Canva. First, go to the Canva website. Now, click on Custom Size to create a new design. Enter the width, height, and select the unit like pixels or inches. Then, click on Create a new design. From the left menu, click on Elements. Now, in the search bar, tap something like Dog and press Enter. Click on See All to view more results and pick any graphic you like. After that, click on Text from the left side. Then, click on Add a text box and tap whatever you want. Now, click on Effects to adjust the style. Click on B to make the text bold. Use the slider to change the thickness of the text. Then, choose a text color that matches your design. Once your sticker is ready, click on Share from the top right corner. Now, click on Download. Check the box that says Transparent background so your sticker has no white box around it. Click on Download again. Choose a folder on your computer and save the file. Now, open the file to see your custom sticker. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.